Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle of complicated wiring? Scosche offers a straightforward solution with their car stereo dash kits and vehicle wiring harnesses designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. Whether you're replacing your factory radio or installing an aftermarket system, Scosche ensures a seamless connection, no wire cutting needed. For 4 decades, Scosche has earned its reputation by delivering high-quality, affordable 12 volts installation accessories that meet rigorous standards. They understand how much your vehicle matters to you, which is why every product is engineered to match factory quality. Their wiring harnesses use industry-standard color-coded wires, making installation intuitive even for first-timers. Plus, these kits plug directly into your vehicle's factory harness, so you avoid damaging your car's wiring or risking compatibility issues. Take the 2007 Up Nissan wiring harness, for example. It's designed to connect directly to the vehicle's harness, supporting power and 4 speakers without any guesswork. Customers across the U.S. praise it for working flawlessly the first time. One user shared how after struggling with the wrong harness from a big box store, switching to Scosche fixed their ground wire issue instantly, saving time and frustration. What sets Scosche apart is not just the product quality but the support behind it. When you buy their installation accessories, you get lifetime tech support, meaning their expert team is ready to help with any questions as long as you own the product. And with a limited lifetime warranty backing every item, you can trust that your investment is protected for the long haul. If you want a hassle-free upgrade that fits your car like it was made for it, Scosche's wiring harnesses and dash kits are worth a look. They eliminate the guesswork, keep your vehicle's wiring intact, and deliver consistent results. Try it when you're ready to make your next stereo upgrade smooth and reliable.